Hello everyone, welcome to Catia tutorial. I am Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create pads not normal to sketch planes. First, activate the part design workbench, start mechanical design, part design, choose XY plane, click on sketch tool, draw one 2D profile. Now I want to create a 2D profile by using center rectangle. Now apply the constraints. The 50 mm. Okay. Horizontal constraint, that is 100 mm. Okay. Already know uh, how to extrude the given profile, that is normal to sketch planes. Just you can exit from workbench, click pad tool and enter the required length. I am entering 10 millimeters. Okay. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create pads that is normal to sketch planes. For explaining this topic, I want to create one profile on this surface. Just you can choose the surface and click on sketch tool. Just you can draw the one 2D profile on this surface. Now I want to create one 2D profile by using profile tool. Just you can draw the one 2D profile. Next you can also draw the direction path. Now I want to draw one direction path on this top surface. Just you can choose this top surface and choose click on sketch tool and select the face. By using line tool, I want to draw one direction from this edge to this edge. This is the inclination direction. This is the not normal to the selected profile. Now exit from workbench. Now click on pad tool. Now select the profile. Select the profile you wish to extrude. Just you can choose this profile and click on this direction. It shows first limit is type. Now I am choosing up to plane. Here the limit is no selection. I am choosing up to ZY plane. Choose ZY plane. This profile is extruded up to YZ plane. You can also here offset is also available. By using offset you can increase the extrude for the this profile. Just you can increase the or decrease the value. You can enter the offset distance for increasing the extrude for the uh, profile. Here um, you can click on more option, this button to display the whole dialog box. You can see here, this is the normal to profile. In previous class I had explained, just you can extrude the surface up normal to profile. In this video lecture I'm going to explain how to create pads not normal to sketch planes. Just you can uncheck normal to profile. Next you can select the reference line. This is the reference line. Select the line as shown to use it as a reference. Just you can choose the reference line. You can click preview. The application previews the pad with a new creation direction. Now click OK to confirm the creation. The pad is created. You can also see this. You can also see this pad in specification tree. The pad is created. The specification tree indicates indicate the creation. This is the procedure to uh, this is the procedure to extrude or creating pads not normal to the given sketch planes. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.